Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we are kicking things off with this really cool product from Ciate London. It actually has a secret superpower, so are you ready? This is the Ciate London Glitter Flip Transforming Glitter Liquid Lipstick in Infamous. It's a really pretty strawberry shade. I actually have it on my lips today so you can see what it looks like, but the formula is amazing because it's actually comfortable and easy to wear and it has a smooth texture to it even though it has a glitter finish. It has a really unique formula because it actually starts off as a matte when you apply it, but as you press your lips together, it turns into a glitter. So it kind of like magically transforms into a dazzling, multi-dimensional lip color with none of the mess of your traditional glitter lips. So it's really cool. And on top of that, like I said, very comfortable to wear. There's no need to reapply, and you even get it in like a fraction of the time as you would a traditional glitter lip. Comment down below if you got this product in your December glam bag. For a lot of people, the holidays mean lots of quality time cooking in the kitchen, but did you know your kitchen is actually a treasure trove for beauty as well? So here I've got a few products that are food inspired and infused, so let's take a look. First off, we have the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. This has the essence of fig and shea butter that actually work together to moisturize and help detangle hair without making it feel heavy or weighing it down at all. Plus, it also has argan oil and linseed oil, which is flaxseed oil, that improves the hair's texture. It tames frizz and it helps with split ends, which I definitely have a lot of, so I love this for, you know, correcting that damage. Plus, not only that, obviously it has coconuts in there. There's actually virgin coconuts from Bali that help to add shine and softness to the hair. They also help to strengthen and repair the hair. Again, damage, yes honey, we're, you know, repairing all of that. And one of my favorite things to do with hair masks is actually wear them throughout the day, so I'm really getting the most moisture and really helping my hair get as healthy as possible. So especially when I'm doing like the slick back little bun or ponytail, I'll put this in right at the roots and slick down my hair with this almost like a gel, but I'm getting that moisture in there to help me achieve healthy hair. Then we have the Dr. Lip Tint with Sweet Potato Pigment. If you know me, you know I love sweet potatoes, so I was super excited to see this. If you suffer from dry, chapped lips, this product is basically gonna be your best friend and the answer to all of your problems. It's really deeply hydrating, so when you apply it, it provides a really nice glossy but not sticky finish while giving you that hydration. It's really, really nice. And on top of that, it is called a tint because it has a little bit of color to it, but it's not gonna actually stain your lips. It's just gonna give you a nice natural color. And the sweet potato in here is actually what gives it that tint, which I thought was really cool. So moving on, we have the Creme Shop's Clarifying Peppermint Cocoa Sheet Mask. So this guy's awesome because it's basically gonna free yourself of all your skin troubles by controlling sebum and also oil secretion. It actually has peppermint oil in here that helps to combat acne and just reveal clear skin. Plus, it's just gonna put you in the holiday spirit and it smells really good too. Next up, we have the Hey Honey Relax Propolis and Honey Soothing Cream. This guy is a really nice, relaxing, soothing, and non-oily cream that's just designed to treat redness and any type of irritated skin. In the winter, it's really important to take extra care of your skin and get that moisturization in there because with the change of weather, our skin definitely gets more dry and more prone to irritation. And this one is amazing for really calming skin conditions like acne, rosacea, or seborrhea. It's actually infused with aloe that helps to soothe and calm the skin and get that moisturization like I was talking about. Plus, it has honey in here, obviously, which is why it smells so good. If you like honey, you're gonna love the scent of this. And the honey actually provides antibacterial and soothing qualities. Plus, on top of that, it also has honeysuckle extract, which helps to calm inflammation. Finally, we've got the Delectable Iced Gingerbread Hand Cream. This stuff smells amazing. It's gingerbread scented, so it reminds me of like a gingerbread cookie or gingerbread house, but it smells so good, especially if you love sweet scents, you're gonna love this. Plus it just gets you into the holiday spirit. And on top of that, it's actually enriched with really moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera that are all gonna help to calm redness and just rejuvenate the driest hands and cuticles. Whew, all this food talk is really making me hungry, so that's all we have time for this week. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thank you guys so much for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.